My scissors are so dull. I've had these for a really long time, and so I was really happy to come across this scissors sharpener. This is specifically for scissors. It's really easy to use, and I am going to show you. I did receive these as a gift from Orange Ninja so that I could try them out, show you how it works. But before I show you how to sharpen scissors, I just want to show you how all of the knobs here work. So we've got different types of scissors, like craft scissors, kitchen, hair scissors, things like that, fabric scissors. And so you're going to turn the dial, but you have to press this button first in order to get that dial to move. Now, I want to show you the way that this works is the angle. So depending on the type of scissors, you need a different angle. Okay, so let me show you. I'm gonna put this on craft and I'll show you exactly how it works. It's very important that you hold the scissors sharpener with your left hand and the scissors with your right hand. It's designed to work this direction, and so if you hold it the opposite, it won't work. I also want to show you there are these kind of silicone rubbery pads on the bottom to keep it preventing it from slipping. So what you'll notice is the very bottom of this V is what sharpens the blade. The top of the V does not sharpen, it holds it in place and gives it stability. So this is the side that sharpens. So I'm gonna hold it with my left hand. I'm gonna grab my scissors, and it's very easy. You just make sure that the angle, that the blade is into the angle there. And hopefully you heard that. It only takes about 4 to 5 times to do this, and it will sharpen. Then you just turn it over and do the other side. Just like that. So now instead of throwing out all my old scissors, I can go through and sharpen them, and they can get sharper using this tool. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe, and I will link the scissor sharpeners down below.